Hey, good morning.
Morning, Sam.
Are you going?
Yes, to work.
Me too. Same.
Which way you go?
Bus stop? Left.
Same way. Great.
Walk together then?
Yes, let's go.
Cold today, right?
Yes, very cold.
Winter is coming.
Already feels like it.
You going by bus?
Yes, number 12.
Same bus. Wow.
Huh, small world.
What time start?
9 o'clock sharp?
Me too. 9.
We are colleagues?
Huh. Different companies.
Huh, makes sense.
Where do you work?
Downtown, tech company.
Which one exactly?
Datasoft, on 5th.
I know that building.
Really? Small world.
I work nearby.
Which company you?
Green Tech, across street.
Oh, very close.
Yes, 5 minutes.
Lucky location. That.
Yes, I love it.
Walking distance from home?
Yes, 10 minutes.
Perfect morning routine.
You live far?
About 30 minutes.
By bus daily?
Yes, every morning.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, not too crowded.
Morning buses are packed.
Early bus is better.
What time leave?
8:15 usually.
Smart. Avoid rush.
Yes, less stress.
Do you enjoy work?
Yes, very much.
How long there?
About 4 years.
Long time. Wow.
Time flies when happy.
Do you like colleagues?
Yes, great team.
That is important.
Makes work enjoyable.
I agree completely.
Good team. Good work.
Are you going late?
No, always on time.
Good habit that.
Punctuality is important.
Boss appreciates that?
Yes, very much.
Good boss you have.
Yes, very supportive.
Lucky you, really.
Yes, I know.
My boss is okay.
Just okay? Huh.
Huh, could be worse.
Huh. Very true.
Are you going home early?
Yes, 5 o'clock.
Same time as me.
Maybe see you then?
Yes, same bus.
Huh. Bus friends.
Exactly right.
Here comes the bus.
Quick, run a little.
Huh. Not running.
Huh, it waited.
Lucky timing, that.
After you, please.
Thank you, Sam.
Good seats available?
Yes, window seat.
You take it.
Thank you, kind.
No problem at all.
Very nice neighbor.
Thank you.
How long living here?
About 1 year.
Me, 3 years.
You know area well?
Yes, very well.
Good restaurants nearby?
Yes, many good ones.
Recommend one, please.
Green garden, very good.
What type of food?
Mixed, very healthy.
Sounds perfect. Thanks.
Go on weekday, quieter.
Good tip. Thanks.
My pleasure, Sam.
This is my stop.
Oh, already here?
Yes. Green Tech Building.
Have great day!
You too, Joe.
See you tonight.
Yes, 5 o'clock.
Same bus home.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, work hard.
Always do. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.